Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 16. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Shodashodhyayaha Daivasura Sampadvibhaga Yogaha Shri Bhagavanuvacha Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhihi Jnanayogau Vyavasthitihi Danandamascha Yajñascha Swadhyayastapa Arjavam. Now, Lord Krishna is telling fearlessness, purity of heart, cultivation of spiritual knowledge, charity, and sense control, sacrifice, study of the Vedas, austerity, virtue, are endowed for those with divine nature. Ahimsa satyamakrodha tyagashantirapaishunam daya bhuteshvalo luptvam mardavam chapalam. Non-violence, truthfulness, absence of anger, reunification, and tranquility, aversion to criticizing others, and compassion, freedom from greed. All those are the good qualities of divine nature, one who endowed with. Tejaha kshama dhriti shaucham adroho nati manita bhavanti sampadan daivim abhijatasya bharata. Gentleness, modesty, determination, courage, forgiveness, and divine nature or fortitude, cleanliness, freedom from hatred. These are all the endowed with this good divine nature, O descendant of Bharata. These are all the divine nature that one who is having the Sattvagunas. Dambho darpho bhimanascha krodha parushyameva cha ajnanancha bhijatasya partha sampadamasurim. Pride, arrogance, conceit, anger, harsh speech, and ignorance are the qualities of those with demonic natures. Daivi sampad vimokshaya nibandhaya surimata mashucha sampadan daivi abhijatosi pandava. The divine nature is conducive of liberation and godly nature to bondage. Do not grieve, O son of Pandu, you are born of divine nature. Dvau bhuta sargau lokesmin daiva asura eva cha daivo vistarashah proktaha asuram partha me shrunu. In this world, there are two types of created beings, the divine and the demonic. I have already explained the divine qualities. Now hear from me about the ungodly. O son of Partha, know about this also. Pravrittincha nivrittincha janana vidurasuraha na shauchannapi chacharaha na satyanteshu vidyate. Those of demonic nature don't know how to act and how not to act. Neither cleanliness nor good behavior nor truth is found in them. Asatyamapratishtante jagadahuranishwaram aparasparasambutam himanyat kamahaitukam. They describe the world to be an illusion without foundation, without a God, brought about by a materialistic union caused by desire for sense gratification. Yetan drishtimavastabhya नष्टात्मानोऽल्पबुद्धयः प्रभवन्त्युग्रकर्माणः क्षयाय जगतो हिताः. Following such misconceptions, these lost souls of inadequate understanding engage in unbeneficial, horrifying activities that is destructive to the world. काममाश्रित्य दुष्पूरम् दम्भमानमदान्विताः मोहात् गृहीत्वा सद्ग्राहान् प्रवर्तन्ते शुचिव्रताः. Attached to insatiable lust and absorbed in pride and false prestige, due to lack of discrimination, the ungodly adopt impure vows attracted by the transcendent.